Dalton died July 26, 1844 in Manchester, England.
He earned his living for most of his life as a teacher and public lecturer, beginning in his village school at the age of 12. After teaching 10 years at the Quaker boarding school in Kendal, he moved on to a teaching position in the burgeoning city of Manchester. There he joined the Manchester Literary and Philosophical Society, which provided him with a stimulating intellectual environment and laboratory facilities. Dalton also researched color blindness, a topic with which he was familiar through first experience. Since the condition had affected both him and his brother since birth, Dalton theorized that it must be hereditary. He proved his theory to be true when genetic analysis of his own eye tissue revealed that he was missing the photoreceptor for perceiving the color green. As a result of his contribution to the understanding of red-green color blindness, the condition is still often referred to as Daltonism. Dalton's fascination with gases gradually led him to formally assert that every form of matter, whether solid, liquid, or gas, was also made up of small individual particles.
I think differently. I don't think an air is a compound. I think it is a mixture, because it can be made of so many things. Since air is a mixture, it has pressure, just as in these two green bottles. Please, assistant. In this bottle, we have oxygen that has a certain amount of pressure. In this bottle, we have vapor that has also a certain amount of pressure. But when we join them, we can see that they're still here and they have a much bigger pressure than they had before. Therefore, we could see that they are very, very little tiny particles that exist here. Yes, finally, my atomic model. My atomic model is based on 4 different rules. The first is that all matter is formed by atoms, such as in this bottle of water. Water has atoms. The second one is that the same elements have same atoms. So, if we have copper and another atom of copper, they will be the same. Then we go with compounds. Compounds are formed when 2 atoms combine. Like is the case of water. H2O is formed by 2 different atoms, which are oxygen and hydrogen. And finally, the atoms can be only separated by chemical reactions, such as in the case of an atom burning, it can separate.